The chef may be small, but the recipe is new. Come on, let's begin. You need to keep few ingredients ready before we begin. The ingredients are chopped capsicum, chopped onion, chopped garlic, salt, lemon juice, chili, pepper, mashed potatoes, a slice of cheese and bread. Of course, the recipe is not completed without delicious Licious Eggy-Treat. Okay, come on, let us begin. At first, we need to remove the crust from the bread, then flatten the bread by using a rolling pin and make the bread flat. Now let us add the stuffing. First add Licious Eggy-Treat, then some chopped onions, chopped capsicum, and now sprinkle some salt, pepper and chili flakes. Now place a slice of cheese, put some more stuffings and the corner and sprinkle some water at the edges. Now roll the bread and close the edges. Once the oil is hot and ready to fry, we will start to fry. But not alone. We need someone around to help us as the oil is hot and not safe for children.